This is how to play Esandleni Musa by Ntokozo mkhize. The original key of the song is the key of E, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of F sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm not gonna sing this song to you guys in this lesson because I'm sure you already know it. So I'm just going to break it down. So on the key of F sharp, it starts right here on B major, which is our number 4. It starts from 4, it goes to 1. From 1 it goes to 5. From 1 it goes to 6. From 6 it goes to 5. From 5 it goes to 1. Again, it's 4, 1, 6, 5, and then back to 1. Okay, this is where the song says umthandazo wami Nkosi mangihlale nawe. Okay, so just on those chords I'm going to introduce the bass. So when you hit the first chord on the left, you go to 4 because you are holding number 4 on the right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 you go to 1, and then 6, and then 5. On the left you're gonna say 5, 4, 3, and when you hit 3 you change on the right, you go to 1. Let me repeat it again. It's 4, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, it's umthandazo wami Nkosi mangihlale nawe, and then you repeat the same thing again. Umthandazo wami Nkosi but this time you are no longer moving on the left. You stay on number 5 until you close the song. Okay, and then you're gonna repeat the same thing 2 times. Okay, umthandazo wami Nkosi mangihlale nawe, umthandazo wami Nkosi mangigcinwe kuwe. Okay, so it goes to a part that says Esandleni. Okay, that part starts right here on number 5. Okay, so Musa, from 5 it goes to 1. Okay, from 1 it goes to 4. From 4 it goes back to 5. Okay, let me sing it. Esandleni, Esandleni, so Musa, Esandleni, so Musa. Okay, and then it goes to Giyagcinwa starts right here on number 1. Okay, Giyagcinwa noma kungathiwi. From 1 it goes to 4. Okay, just on that part I'm gonna introduce the bass. Okay, so it goes to Esandleni, it goes to 4. Sorry, it goes to 5. Esandleni, it goes to 5. From 5 you go to 1. Okay, from 1 you go to 4. On the left you're gonna say 4, 4, 3, 2. Okay, I hope you see it. 4, 3, 2, and then you play this chord. This is G sharp minor chord. Okay, you're gonna change also on the right. You're gonna play G sharp minor. This is G sharp major. When you drop a semitone lower on this note, you come here. This is now a G sharp minor. It's no longer a G sharp major. Okay. And by the way, if you want to learn all these things, just send me a WhatsApp to join our private community. Here's my WhatsApp number up there. The price is 1,500 and it's a one-time payment. Okay. So let's start again. Esandleni, Sorry. It's and then from here it goes to Esandleni. It goes to 5, right? It comes here. So Musa, from 5 you go to 1. From 1 you go to 4. And then here you're gonna say 4, 3, 2, and then play a G minor chord. And then from a G minor chord you go to 5, C sharp major chord. Okay? I hope you understand. Again, let me repeat again for the last time. Esandleni, 5, and then 1. So Musa, and then 4, and then 5. Okay, and then it goes to a part that says it goes to 1. Also on the left you go to 1. But on the left you're gonna say 1, 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna go to 4. Let me repeat it again. And then from 4 on the left you're gonna say again. You're gonna play a G sharp minor chord again. From here you're gonna play, you're gonna come to F sharp major, while on the left you are holding your number 5. Okay, this is known as a slash chord. It's 1/5 because on the right you are holding 1 and on the left you are holding 5. And then from here you're not going to move on the left, you're only going to move on the right. From this chord, which is 1, you come to 5, and then you close the song. Okay, I hope you saw it. Let me start from the beginning and play the whole thing. Okay. Umthandazo wami Nkosi mangihlale nawe, and umthandazo wami Nkosi mangigcinwe kuwe. For the second time, umthandazo wami Nkosi mangihlale nawe, umthandazo wami Nkosi mangigcinwe kuwe. Let's go to Esandleni. Esandleni. It starts here. 5. So Musa. 1. So Musa. Esandleni. 4. And then G sharp minor. And then 5. So Musa. And then again, umthandazo wami Nkosi mangigcinwe kuwe. Okay, so that's how we played on the key of F sharp, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Until we meet again, God bless you.